Damn it. Keeps yelling at me. Okay guys, the way you take down your printer and the way you set it up on a trailer is very, very important. You got to consider the way you're putting it on this trailer is the way I want to take it off. So obviously if I'm setting up a printer, okay, my X, my Y's, don't worry about Tito. Shit, you know me. I want to put, this is the first piece I take off the trailer. It goes to the very back. I don't want the piece that's right here that I gotta step over to carry the other pieces. So be thinking about that. What piece comes off first, what comes off second, what comes off third, and don't create obstacles that you can't get over or you're walking over. So, I don't know what you got going on here. The other part of it is a lot of people just take spray paint and they're like, oh shit, what part is this? Is this an X rail? Is it Y? Okay, what part is this so that it goes back together the same way? And then, okay, when you put it on, shit, are these ground? Are they not ground? You can't just slam it up there. You got to turn it so that it is the way it was before, or you're going to be fighting yourselves. Everybody needs to have a tool belt. I have tool belts here for you. You want to have needle nose to pull these damn pins out. You want to have a hammer. You want to have extra pins, extra coupler, fittings, ready to go. It's all this. Hey, do you have the hammer? Do you have the hammer? Do you have the hammer? Time is money. I want you guys to be able to show off. Now, the time to beat is 39 minutes. That is a second. They took the printer apart. They put it back together. They took it across the street. It was all on a trailer. We started the time. Go. 39 minutes. Okay? I want you guys to kick their ass. The problem is they did that with 4 people. So, hard to determine. More people, obviously, more money, but faster. So you got to be thinking when you're doing this shit, okay? Because you got elevators that got to be set on the corners. Who's doing that? Where the battery's charged the night before. That's a big F up. Always, always, always. Okay? Get all those things on battery chargers. And then you can do it any way you want to. But normally, people are just taking spray paint. Green, 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 green. I know that goes to that. Blue, 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 blue. And the color of the paint is on the top side.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your gantry, it's all down, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Ideally, you don't want to put your gantry together. Okay. You got your gantry bridge figured out from height to height. As long as nothing changed, it's not a real big deal. But if you have a trailer that can transport a gantry without taking it apart, obviously that's faster. Okay? Because you had to pull all the cables back out of it. You had to pull the gantry, the cable chain back. You had to do all these different things. But it's a long ass trailer. And I'll tell you, the people that did 39 minutes with a 35-35, what size is yours? What size is your printer? What size are we setting up over there? What size are we just set up here?
Right here we were set up 36 by 36 or 35 by 35.
35-35. Okay. There's your gantry.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you don't have to take that apart, that's better. Guys, go get my 20-foot trailer. Let it hang out the back. Put a flag on it. Okay? That makes you a lot faster. So here's a question. Because most of the time they take the Z trolley off. It's too damn heavy, especially with a TZ on it. So better if we can put 6 guys on that and not take the trolley off. You're gonna be faster than shit. So we're like, okay, here's an assembly and a race with guys, with 6 guys, at least on printer assembly. So let's go over there right now and see if 6 guys can lift this thing